If you're in the market for a new construction home anywhere in Frisco, Prosper, or the immediate surrounding areas, then you are in the right place. I specialize in helping buyers just like you find the community and the builder that best suits their needs. Today, I'm going to be coming to you from the Fields Development in Frisco, one of the absolutely most sought after master plan communities in all of North Texas. Fields, it's home to 2 championship golf courses, the PGA of America, the Omni Frisco PGA Resort, the currently being built Fields West, which is going to offer upscale dining, shopping, entertainment, and more. Now, the video today is part of my quick move-in series. And for those of you that aren't familiar, a quick move-in new construction home is a brand new home that is either done or will be done within the next couple of months. And those homes often offer some of the absolute best deals in today's marketplace. There's usually additional incentives available, as well as price discounts that we can usually, not always, but most of the time, negotiate down even more. The home that I'm going to be featuring today is the home that you see directly behind me. Now, this is Britton Homes Plan 536A. This is a corner lot, and the home features 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, has a study, a formal dining room, a game room, and a media room in just about 4,000 square feet of living space. Now, I just walked through the home, and I have to say, even though it's a large home, it feels really cozy, compact inside. Let's go take a look, and I'll show you what I mean. One of the things that Britton Homes is known for on many of their models here in Fields are the soaring ceilings that you have right when you walk in. So if you're one of those people that right when you step into a house, you like the idea of really high ceilings, then you're gonna love this. These ceilings are 22 feet tall. So here's that view right when you step into the house. And as you can see, as I pan up there, it's just a great feeling of openness. And that ceiling goes up a full 22 feet. Now, this home here is much more of a traditional layout than we often see these days. Immediately to the right of the front door, you actually have a formal dining room. Now, I know a formal dining room isn't something we see in homes very often, but this one does have it. You know, quite often, right as you walked into the front door, you'd often see a formal living room or maybe a living room, dining room combo. But this house does have the formal dining room. And then immediately on the opposite side, you do have a study. So a nice office right here off the front door. Plenty of bright light from the windows. And the other thing as we make our way down into the main part of the house is this home, rather than engineered wood floors, this home actually has hand scraped hardwood floors, which is not something you see all that often either. So as we make our way through into the main living area and kitchen here, you can see you've got these beautiful, they're an off-white cream colored cabinet, a beautiful colored countertop. You've got full use of the cabinets by having the back side of the island all be functional cabinets. You have the area for the refrigerator there, a 42-inch wide refrigerator will fit nicely. And you've got a 6-burner GE monogram cooktop right here. Got double ovens and a microwave. And then you have a butler's pantry area with cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. That then leads back through to the front of the house and the dining room. And then you also have the pantry right here. Nice sized pantry, plenty of built-in shelving. Also on that kitchen island, you do have the waterfall countertops that lead down to the floor, which is really nice. And then in addition, you've got this breakfast nook back here as well with windows on both sides. So lots and lots of natural light. It really looks beautiful. You've got the full sliders all the way across the back here, so when the weather permits, which it doesn't today, you could really open those up for some nice indoor-outdoor living. And then back in the corner of the family room here, you've got this fireplace done in all black. And there's a slight sheen to it, but it's almost like a matte black tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then you've got the extra large ceiling fan up there as well. Now we'll make our way this way first. We'll head back into the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom, one additional bedroom, and the study is on the main floor with the additional rooms upstairs. So really nice size main bedroom here. So you could fit plenty of furniture in here, nice king size bed. You've got the cathedral ceiling, the ceiling fan, then you've got the double doors that open up into the main bath. So you've got these marble effect looking tiles. You've got the freestanding soaking tub. You've got one of the vanities there, a second vanity beyond, as well as the shower. And then you have dual closets. So you have one closet right here, and in typical Britton fashion, they've all been completely built out. So you have tons and tons of storage, shelves, and hanging space, along with the cubbies that are built in for shoes, sweaters, bags, hats, whatever it may be. And then the additional closet is built out much the same right here. Make our way through now back into the main part of the house. Actually, before I do, this home is about 30 days from being completely ready, and the back door is being worked on and doesn't open. So I'm just gonna show you through these windows, give you an idea what the backyard looks like. These are 65 or 60-foot wide lots in this series. So, there is a house behind, as you can see right there, but you do have, room there in the back. As I make my way back through this way, when we look out of this big slider, I'll be honest, it would be nice if there was another door besides just this slider to get out, but there isn't. But on this back patio here, it's a nice large covered patio. You do have two ceiling fans out here. And you also, which you can see through this window, you do have a gas stub out in that last post there. So if you wanted to build in a barbecue in that area right there, that is something you could easily do. So what are your thoughts on this home so far? I don't know if it does it justice on the video, but like I said, the downstairs, it feels kind of cozy and compact, even though there's plenty of space in all of the rooms. And I know we still do have a couple of rooms, or at least one other bedroom to see on the main floor here. But let me know, what do you think of this layout? What do you think of the formal dining room and the hand-scraped hardwood floors? I'd love to know your thoughts. Go ahead and comment below and let me know about that. So if you'd like additional information on this home or any home here in the Fields development, then I invite you to reach out. You can go ahead and call or text the number on the screen. And in the link below, in the description below, I've got two links for you. One of them is a link to my calendar. I invite you to schedule a call. It's a 30-minute call. It just lets me know a little bit more about what you're looking for so that I can point you in the right direction and help match you with the community and the builder that would best suit your needs. The other link in the description is a link to this property details page. If you'd like more information, if you'd like to see a copy of the floor plan, get a list of the upgrades, as well as the latest pricing, go ahead and click that link, and that will take you to a page that will give you all of the information that you need. So just next to the fireplace here is this hallway that leads you to one of the other bedrooms. So this bedroom here, it's tucked back in on the side. The hardwood floors extend through here. It's not a bad size. It could be, depending on your requirements, it could be a second office or a guest room maybe if you didn't use the room on the front. And then you do have a full bath. So check out this bath. So this is probably one of those baths where you either love it or you hate it. So you've got the step-in shower. and you've got the floor to ceiling tile, the vanity there, so you've got the black cabinet, the white countertop, and then all of the black tile. Then as we continue back towards the staircase, off here you do have plenty of storage underneath the stairs. Right here, you even got a rod there to hang up some clothes, a couple of jackets. You've got a mud bench here with some hooks. You've got the door out to the 3-car tandem garage, and then the laundry room. So the laundry room does have a sink, which I always think is nice, especially right off the garage, with some upper cabinets there, and then your washer dryer hookups. And with that, we will make our way upstairs. So as you probably noticed as we came up, it is a circular curved staircase, which is really nice. And at the top of the stairs, as you continue on, you do have this bedroom here. Pretty standard size secondary bedroom, which also has a full bath. And then as we continue, the opposite side of the stairs here, you can make your way into the bonus room, the game room, right there, ceiling fan, and then attached to it right here, you've got the media room. So again, fully wired, all ready to go. Perfect for family movie night, right there. And then on the opposite side of the game room here, you do have another bedroom. Again, very standard size for a secondary bedroom. And this one too does have its own bath attached with tub shower combo. So with the rooms having, a couple of the bedrooms having their own bath, it does make it really nice, especially if you've got a boy, girl, not sharing a bathroom, 2 girls even not sharing a bathroom. And I know they like to spread out across the counters from my own experience. As we make our way further down this way, you come to another bath. So this also has a tub shower combo. So this one is not as part of the last bedroom, as it's accessible for any guests that you have that might be over watching a movie or using the game room. And there you have it. So I wanted to thank you for spending a few minutes touring this Britton home here in Fields Frisco with me today. Overall, what were your impressions? What did you think now that you've seen the entire home? Does what I was saying about the compact, kind of cozy feel on the floor plan make sense? Even though the home is nearly 4,000 square feet, I realize that might not convey as well on the video, but that is the impression or the feeling that I got walking through it. Also, what do you think of the layout? Having the formal dining room, that's not something that you see every day, especially nowadays. It's kind of a room that's disappeared, that's quite often not used very often. Not to say if you didn't want the formal dining room, you have to keep it as that. You could obviously convert that room to something that would better suit your needs. As I mentioned before, if you'd like additional information about this home, then please go ahead, check the link in the description where it will take you directly to the property details page. And if you have any questions about Fields, new construction, or anything in the Frisco or Prosper area, then I invite you to reach out. You can go ahead and call or text the number that is up on your screen. Alternatively, there is that link in the description to my calendar, and go ahead, book a call. I would love to spend some time on the phone with you or do a Zoom call to learn more about what it is that you're looking for and match you up with the community and builder that best suits your needs. Now I invite you to stick around, as I know you're going to enjoy one of these videos coming up next.